In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram carousel on Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a ready-made carousel template, bring it into your workspace, and set yourself up to customize it fast. First, open your browser and head to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access files and edit them. This will put you right on the Figma dashboard where you can explore resources shared by the design community. Next, click on the community section. The community is where designers publish templates, UI kits, and components you can duplicate and use. It's a great way to jumpstart a project without building every frame from scratch. In the search bar, type Instagram carousel. This will pull up a range of templates designed for multi-post carousels. Look for options that match Instagram's common sizes, like square posts, and pay attention to previews to see how many slides and styles are included. You can also skim the description to check quality and whether the file includes helpful components or text styles. When you find a template you like, select it and click through to its page. Take a moment to preview the pages and make sure it fits your content needs. Some templates emphasize bold typography, while others lean more on imagery. When you're ready, click Open in Figma. This will open the file in your editor, typically duplicating it to your drafts so you can work with it freely. Inside the file, select the design you want to use. It might be a single frame or a group of frames that make up the carousel. Click to highlight the frame itself rather than individual layers, then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy it. If multiple frames make up the carousel, you can shift-click to select them all before copying, which helps keep spacing and order intact. Now switch back to your project and paste. Use Ctrl+V or Command+V to drop the design onto your canvas. Place the frames on the page where you want to work and zoom in to confirm everything looks correct. At this point, you can start customizing text, colors, and images to match your brand. Keep the frames aligned and evenly spaced so the swipe through feels seamless when posted. If the template uses components, edit the main component to update styles consistently. That's it. You went to Figma, opened the community, searched for an Instagram carousel, chose a template, opened it, copied the design, and pasted it into your project. You're ready to personalize and export.